Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's a pleasure to be with you, and I hope at the end of this presentation you will have enough information to reward you for the time that you have invested in attending this presentation. I've made a point to attend two presentations before this, the two sessions about convolutional neural networks and the one by Amit about training neural networks. And in order to understand where are the gaps and in order to make this as informative as possible and focus on this. So throughout the presentation you will see parts that are repetitive, but however I don't see this as a disadvantage because people understand things differently and have different perspective of them, and the repetition sort of cements the concept in the end. And what I want to say about training deep neural networks, the process of a successful training is very rewarding. And by the virtue of it being rewarding, it means it's painful. So you have to go through pain points to get to the successful process. And today we will talk about indications of how we can see early on, how we can detect problems with your training, and how we can fix them and attempt to reach a successful conclusion as fast as possible. So to do a quick recap on training neural networks, I always describe deep neural networks as great function estimators. They find the correlations between the dependent variables and independent variables. So between the parts of the data that I'm trying to find the relationship, it doesn't matter how complex it is, deep neural networks are great in doing that, and they have proved it.